Well, hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC out here. We're going to take up the FREEWING AVANTI 2 80mm high performance. Have a little bit of fun with her. Now, this plane's got something pretty cool.
Braking. Motor on.
Not every day you see a jet go backwards.
Brakes on.
All right. Let's get turned around here.
Take off flaps.
All right. I tell you what, the Avanti design is just an incredible stable platform for a jet. All right, here we go.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
I got the FREEWING afterburner in it.
Gear down.
I'm awfully high, I know.
Landing flaps.
Come by dirty.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
There we go, nice and dirty. Turn around here.
Braking. Brakes on.
A little late now, but hey. Actually, I'm going to change my perspective a little bit. I'm going to go down here and stand where I'm used to standing at. Okay.
Flaps up. Take off flaps.
We're going to go down here. We're going to turn around and go from the other direction.
Okay.
It was impressive. Yeah.
Here we go.
Flaps up. Time remaining 2 minutes.
That was pure luck then.
Full speed and straight up with it.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
All right. Take her out here. Kill some of my airspeed here. Completely out of the throttle now.
Take off flaps. Landing flaps.
All right.
Flaps up.
Got enough for one more. We're going to get a turn around here. We're going to take off in the grass.
Take off flaps.
Whoa, I had a take off with an assist.
Time remaining 1 minute. Gear up.
Take off with an assist. Assist from an anthill. Flaps are in.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
Small little setting abrupt. And the worst part about it, it's nothing, it's something that's not on the manual, it's corrupt. It's the same thing.
30 seconds.
I'm telling you, the Avanti version 2 is like a four-wheel drive truck for an EDF. It really is. Oh, looks like I bent my gear though. Yeah, I did. I bent that rear gear. How much you want to bet the glue came out? How much you want to bet? FREEWING is famous for not having enough glue. And there, of course, that was a rough landing I had. But nope, it didn't. It's in there solid. It's just bent. Now it's fine. Go figure. Always do that though. Cycle your gear a couple of times if you're not sure. Okay, well, let's see how much look. We flew for the full, just 21 seconds shy of 4 minutes and 10 seconds. So what, 3 minutes and 50 seconds? And let's see how much juice is left in the tank. Not the best landings I'm capable of, but hey, it is what it is. All right. Don't you hate that when people say that? It is what it is. It's like, yeah, no crap, right? It is what it is. 42%, so really I could have flown a little bit more. But we're going to end the flight so we can surrender the field. All right. And with the bright sunshine, you probably weren't able to notice it, but look down that. Oh, I didn't shoot. Look down the tailpipe and see nothing. I forgot to show you this is the FREEWING brand of afterburner. There we go. But with the bright sunshine, you really probably couldn't see it. And I'm sorry, you northerners, about the bright sunshine. There you go, folks. That is the FREEWING Avanti version 2. Basically a four-wheel drive truck for your grass field. Handles the grass, no problem. Y'all have a good, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends, then jets. Bye-bye.